The following message is transmitted at the request of the Philadelphia Police Department. At 6:00 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports have come in that bearded dwarves were running around the city of Philadelphia, pinching people who weren't wearing the color green, and putting rohypnol into people's corned beef, cabbage, and potatoes. These individuals are currently described as bearded dwarves with green suits, green top hats, and black shoes. If these individuals are seen, you are advised to call 911 or the sheriff's office immediately. Avoid eating said corned beef, cabbage, and potatoes, and wear the color green until these individuals are found. Stay tuned to media outlets for further information on this situation.